si Plan Domada. Ding! Ay, ha? Ay, halo-halo. It's a food from the Philippines. I'm from the Philippines. The yarn. So let's get into it. And people are wondering why do I speak English. So you can guys understand it more. Some out there are Americans. Some of you out there guys are Filipino. So I make it more understanding, and I'm worried that I get low views because no one understands me. So I make it English. Ooh. So bye. I hope you watch guys that video. It's link on the bio, and if you guys don't see it, I'm sorry, just check on my videos. You guys see Team Asia, like, go team, like we won third place. We won third place. We won third place. And I couldn't believe it. I missed it out, and they just announced my neighbor dad's, because my neighbor is my classmate. So her dad, so Ron's dad told me that we won third place, and we were so happy. MJ, wait, let's not out first. Let's crunch this. Look, hear that? Babe, this can be done. Don't tell me. Wait, hear that? I know. I remember it, Mami. Mami, tabihan mo ako. Kasi di ba nagigising naman ako ng maaga?
Kung nagigising ng maaga, wala nang pasok.
Yung gymnastics ko.